Did you know that 12 billion light-years away, astronomers discovered a colossal cloud of water vapor floating in space, holding 140 trillion times more water than all of Earth's oceans combined? This isn't science fiction. It's real, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. This water cloud surrounds a supermassive black hole called APM 08279 plus 5255. The black hole itself is 20 billion times more massive than our Sun, and produces as much energy as 1,000 trillion suns. The water vapor stretches across hundreds of light years. That's incomprehensibly vast. Here's the wild part. This water cloud existed just 1.6 billion years after the Big Bang. It's the most distant water ever detected in the universe. Scientists discovered it using specialized telescopes that detected the water's unique spectral signatures from billions of light years away. The water isn't frozen, it's vapor, a scorching gas cloud heated to minus 63 degrees Fahrenheit by intense X-rays and infrared radiation from the feeding black hole. Even at that temperature, it's still 5 times hotter than typical galactic gas. And it contains enough material to feed the black hole for eons. And here's the craziest part. This discovery proves that water, the building block of life, has existed throughout the universe since nearly the beginning of time itself. Water is everywhere, even in the most extreme cosmic environments imaginable. Want to learn more amazing facts like this? Visit Sikho.ai for daily mind-bending discoveries about our universe.